could time travel, dog.
We just did it. We went 5 minutes into awesomeness is what we just did. That was so amazing. Eric, question, when did Mountain Tribe become Mountain Tribe?
I mean, that's kind of an epic tale, dog. Are you sure you're ready for that kind of an answer?
You know what? Maybe that was a dumb question.
No, I mean.
So we're on an elevator and we're in a Marriott that's got 6 floors. You got to sell me Mountain Tribe in that elevator.
Totally. I mean, I used to play a lot of music out. I had a band, and then I had some experiences that really changed my life and changed the way I looked at things. So I started writing music in a different way and a different kind of connection with what, you know, people get inspired by, the muses. I call it, you know, it's the muses in everybody and everything. It's that conversation that goes on. It's where we get the word music from, you know. And so yeah, I started writing music and I fell in love. And so she listened to the music I had, and we formed this this beautiful harmony. It's a natural harmony of love about all the songs that we were writing, and she never sang before, but she just started singing it, and it was really beautiful to listen to that natural thing. We met Tasha, and I heard her voice. I was like, man.
And then I had a dream. I had a dream that we were singing together. So I was like, girl, I just had a dream that we were singing together. She was like, let's make it a reality. Then she came down.
And we invited her out to the desert, and there was a lightning storm when we saw him and Tim right here. And he got into the RV, and we watched this storm come through and blow all the stage over. We were supposed to play out the next day, and all the tents are blowing away. And we're like, let's play music. And we all played for the first time. Tasha hadn't really played with us, and Tim had never played with us. And in that motorhome, we kind of formed this really magical kind of moment with the lightning striking.
Unreal.
Robert came blasting on down with his bass, and it was like, dang, dog, I want to do some music with you. And so we started playing together, and things just got just that much more of a shaky, kind of a bump it to it now.
That's the way it should go.
More so.
All right, so here it is, Mountain Tribe. My name's Goldie. You're on Live at the BeeHive. Let's get back into it. Let's go.
Long gone, did I take too long to get my heart back on the line? I laid my head on that desert sand and couldn't help but notice all the lights. It's long gone, rest my weary head. It's long gone, lay this time to bed. Take me back to the mountaintop, where we can watch the ships come in. mama's boy and of a preacher man.
You know he saved me from my sins.
I'm a living library of memories.
All my past and here is long gone. Rest my weary head. It's long gone. Lay this time to bed.
So take me back to the mountaintop. We'll bring the waters of the age. Read the pictures on the walls.
I see the capes upon the sage.
She's been here for eternity.
And she'll love you just the same.
But you hear in the melody.
Oh, you know her